Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. Well, for this ad, if you're starting or you just want to have an idea or just want to spend $20, a little bit more, $20 out of pocket and get almost a free trip, this is what I'm doing, this deal scenario. So I'm going to walk you through it and share a little bit of the items that you could get that it will be easy to get and it will come out to almost free. So let's get started. Let's start off with something very simple that you don't need any coupons. I think on the page 2 of the ad, it's going to say buy any 2 of the Skin Active Garnier mask and you get back 5 ECB. The price I'm giving you is the one that is in the store, but it does vary. It could go to $3, $3.19. So let's go with $2.89. You buy 2, it'll be $5.78. You don't need to give any coupons, so that's how much you're going to pay in the register. But you're going to get back 5 ECB when you buy 2. So your total is going to be 78 cents for both or just 39 cents each. So let's go to the next item because we want to make sure that we do reach $20 out of pocket. For the next offer is for the Covergirl, and on the ad, I believe it's on page 2, it also says Covergirl, get a 3 off coupon at the Extra Care Coupon Center. So that's the one I'm including on this deal. It says you spend 12, you will get 5 ECB. So here's a good deal scenario. You buy 2 of the concealer, they're $5.99, so the total should be $11.98. You could use that coupon that is deducting 6 off 2, which is still printable, and I'm going to put that in the description box in case you do need to print it. And also I'm including that 3 off 1 that we should be getting in the Extra Care coupon. So you pay $2.98, but you get back 5 ECB when you spend 12. So everything will be free and $2.02 moneymaker. The next item is for the Crest Pro Health or 3D White or Scope mouthwash. In the ad, I think it's on page 6. It says $4.99 with card. Buy 1 and get 2 ECB, and there's a limit of 2 per household. So here's the deal scenario. Buy 2 at $4.99, so your total will be $9.98. Use 2 coupons that we expect in this under the P&G, deducting $1 each. So it's going to deduct $2 total. And if you have this coupon that is when you've been scanning your card, some people have been getting it, that is deducting to when you buy 6 on any mouthwash, then this is a perfect time to use it. If you don't get that coupon, then you could buy just one of these products if you like. So you will pay $5.98 after all those coupons have been deducted. And you'll get 2 ECB for each item. So in total, you're going to get 4 ECB. Submit it to Ibotta, but make sure that you selected an Ibotta and you're buying the ones that is offering Ibotta. You could scan it just to make sure. And if you do that, it will be free. The last item is the same thing. Before you purchase it, you have to make sure that the Ibotta offer, it does say that it has to be the Swap Professional. Scan to make sure that this product does qualify, and if it does, then you should do this deal scenario because it's really good. So you buy 3 for $9, and also you can use 3 of those coupons that we got in the Red Plum, $3.18, but it expires this Sunday, so you could only have Sunday to do this deal. So you will pay $6 out of pocket. You're going to get back 3 ECB when you buy 3, and then you can submit it to Ibotta, and you should be getting 3 back. If this offer, this type of product does qualify, then it will be free. After you do all that, your total for everything would have been $36.74. After coupons have been applied, it's going to be $20.74 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $17 in ECB and cash back $5, making this trip completely free and $1.26 moneymaker. But keep in mind that the prices do change. You may have a different type of coupon, so it may be a little bit more, a little bit less, but it doesn't beat free and a little bit of money maker. So I hope this was a really good deal scenario. I'm going to keep bringing up any other ones that I see, but do note that out of pocket would be $20.74 if you do follow this deal scenario, and the prices and the coupons you have are the same one. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I invite you to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.